Hi Aquarius, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? This is the reading for the zodiac sign Aquarius. It's a bonus love reading, okay? So this is the reading not for the singles, not for the people who are career oriented, but for the people who are into a relationship, for the people who are into a relationship but separated, okay? So yes, so that's this might not resonate with every one of you out there. So if you really want to check out your reading, kindly check out the other YouTube channels, or else you can check out the general readings on my YouTube channel as well. One important thing guys is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a career reading with me, personal reading with me, or if you want to have okay, so if you want to have a career related reading, personal reading related to career, relationship and situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so if you want to join tarot learning and numerology workshop online via WhatsApp video call, Zoom video call and Skype video call, the details are given in the description box below. You can enroll for the workshop for the same. Okay, and if you want to support me with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. I'll be appreciating it if you will be donating. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, because we are really working hard towards crossing 1000 subscribers. Okay, so yes. Okay, so Aquarius, I think there is some sort of karmic cycle playing its role. Okay, there is karmic cycle in reverse. So right now, the karmic cycle haven't come to an end currently. Okay, so I think in the month of June might be coming to an end. There is a blockage when it comes to a communication part. Okay, blockage when it comes to, like, you are thinking of making a communication towards your counterpart, but I think there is some sort of blockage because there is an intervention, divine intervention, which is playing its role. Okay, some sort of wish fulfillment you want when it comes to this connection, by regaining your power back, by taking an action towards this person. Okay, but right now you are holding back from this connection. Okay, you feel confused when it comes to this connection because you feel that you don't feel that much of energetic. Okay, let's say like that. You don't feel that kind of that sort of energy when it comes to this connection, because you feel conflicted between two choices, two directions or two decisions when it comes to this connection. Okay, you have a stuck up energy when it comes to ending up of this connection. Okay, you sometimes really feel that you should end this relationship. Okay, but then also you can't. Okay, because you are holding back somewhere from this connection. You have a stuck up energy when it comes to this connection. You want this connection to end somewhere, but within yourself, down the line, within yourself, you don't want it to end. But that's why that's creating a lot of issues. Okay, so 10 is all about completion, ending. Okay, and a new beginning, but you are not ending this karmic cycle is not coming to an end. Okay, because you are holding yourself up. Okay, yes, yeah, someone wants to come towards you, someone is rushing in towards you, someone is taking an action towards this connection. Okay, either you or your counterpart. I mostly see that is your counterpart. Okay, and yeah, you are just focusing on yourself when it comes to your love. Okay, self love, self relationship, like loving yourself enough that you don't need someone else. Okay, this is what you are doing. You are just thinking about yourself, loving yourself, working towards improving yourself. Okay, yes, but yeah, I think you are thinking about you are being nostalgic when it comes to this connection. This connection is for the people who are your ex is coming back into your life, your past person is coming back into your life. And for the others of you, I think this involves marriage also, like a baby also into a person who a couple who are married and they have babies, and they are into separation. Okay, so this involves babies also for you, for some of you Aquarius. Okay, so yeah, you are thinking about your stable life, you are focusing on your finances. Okay, you sometimes feel very nostalgic when it comes to this connection. Okay, but at the same time you don't want to look dumb, and you are, you want a stable life for yourself. You are thinking about your finances also, working towards your finances. Okay, you have a very grounding energy when it comes to this connection. Okay, you are still hopeful when it comes to this connection actually. Okay, you're still thinking about it, the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, what else, universe? What else? Wow. So yeah, there was a lot of, burdens, problems, issues going on between this connection. Yeah, there were lot of, you are releasing all this, issues, problems, and confusions when it comes to this connection. Okay, and yes, a lot of, secrets, like you are still fearful when it comes to this connection. If they are making an offer towards you, you will be like, no, right now I'm not interested. You will be like that, because you are fearful about the future, that what will happen next. Okay, if that person comes, you want somewhere within it, you are manifesting this connection, but at the same time you are like, if that person comes to you, if that person approaches you, how will be your reaction? Will be like, I'm not interested, I am really not interested. You are very much fearful when it comes to this connection. Okay, you are hesitating when it comes to this connection. Some sort of hesitation is still there. Yes, but yeah, you are manifesting this connection. You might be dealing with a, Leo sign, you might be dealing with a Pisces, you might be dealing with an any of the, Libra, you might be dealing with an fire sign, air sign, and water sign, or any of the energy, Scorpio specifically. So yeah, so you have a lot of stuck up energy, but this is an spiritual, divinely guided connection. Okay, so yes, so we have Queen and King and Queen of Pentacles. So this is a divine counterpart. Okay, and I think a lot of people are externally there. Okay, a lot of people are involved into this connection. Okay, to make this connection ruin this connection somewhere. Okay, but I think the other people are actually involved into this connection. Okay, though those people doesn't want that this connection should flow. Okay, in a better way. Okay, I think there are external people who are creating chaos into your life. Okay, so yeah, tell me what's going on with the external environment. What's going on with external environment? Yeah, there are some old age people, like, maybe between 40 to 60, the age group. There might be people around you who doesn't want that connection, this, that, like, you should reunite with this connection, or you should take any action with this connection. Yeah, a lot of fights are going on when it comes to this connection. Yeah, disappointments, fights. What's going on in the external environment of Aquarius? What's going on in the external environment for what's going on in the external environment? Yeah, you are being patient enough, because a lot of people are around you and they don't want you to be together. Those are the issues, like these are the blockages. Okay, but you are still waiting and hoping and believing when it comes to this connection. Yes, this will be coming to an end, because not the relationship, okay, but this chaos of some external environment, people will be coming to an end, and this karmic cycle will be coming to an end for you guys soon, in the month of July might be. Okay, it is still not over completely, like it's halfway done. Okay, so you have to wait for the right time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so like, yeah, so what is universe telling you. Okay, so there might be a baby involved. Okay, there might be few Aquarius who are pregnant, feminines who are pregnant also. Okay, like there is fertility is also involved into this. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, there is a new divine beginning, divine timing. You know, universe wants you to take, there is a new beginning for you guys. Okay, and divine is playing its role, so you have to wait for the right time before taking a leap of faith. Okay, yeah. And for the others of you, there might be a pregnancy involved into this connection, there might be a separation, but there is, the feminine might be a pregnant. Okay, so yes. Okay, yeah, new beginning, taking a leap of faith, taking an action towards it. But yeah, there is a right timing, like there is a divine timing. Okay, so you have to wait for the divine timing for sure. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, three cards. Okay, so there is a rebirth. So yeah, ending and beginning. So 10-10. So ending is taking place, ending of a karmic cycle. Rebirth is happening for you guys again. Okay, integration, that means that okay, so you will be involved, you're, you know, internally you will be much, you will become much more stronger when it comes to divine universal things, understanding the universal laws, understanding the universal spiritual science. Okay, yes, you will be having a new vision with the new beginning. Okay, you know what you have to do, and you are just waiting for the right time. And universe involvement is there definitely when it comes to this connection. Okay, so you just need to wait for the right time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, beautiful Aquarius. Okay, so 3 healing messages for you guys. It's a timeless reading, guys. Okay, so yeah, the healing message for fear. You have a lot of fear, I can see that, hesitation, fear in approaching this connection. Okay, and there will be few secrets which will be revealed to you. Okay, so yes, healing message for healing fear. Sometimes I can discover more of my own intellectual gifts and talents by making a decision alone without someone else's input. So you are your own decision maker. You don't want any third party situation into yourself, into your life. Okay. The second healing message for anger. With the help of a loving friend or skillful guide, I now unearth my unique creativity and give birth to it in a supportive community. Beautiful. The third healing message for healthy self-esteem. Inside of me is a passionate, lovable person who others wants to support and be around. Wow, this is a beautiful card. But yeah, for sure there is, you know, few people who has to understand that there is an ending and a rebirth and a karmic cycle which is playing its role, and you have to also understand that your level, you are highly intuitive. Okay, so somewhere within yourself down the line you know that what you are going through and how to cope up with it. You are planning, you know, you're focusing, you're planning, rejuvenating, resting and thinking about the solution as well at the same time. Okay, Aquarius, and I think this is not at all bad. Okay, everything will be good. Let this karmic cycle comes to an end, because I think, you know, past will be coming back into your life for sure, because there are two past energies, like two cards for past energy. Okay, so past people, any ex, or there might be a new person might be entering into your life, but that's those are divine counterparts to inflame situation. Those have a, you know, past life connections. Okay, reincarnations. Okay, so those might be coming back into your life. Okay, so if you are single, okay, and if you are already couple, then past life, past person might be coming back into your life. If you are already committed, then, you know, your ex might be coming back. Whosoever left you will be coming back. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, bye bye.